5 Best Electric Drills. Here is the product number 5. HILDA 220 volts 180 watts Dremel style electric rotary power tool. Reinforced cut-off disc 32 mm 4 pieces sanding discs 72 pieces cut-off wheels 22 mm 1 pieces mandrel screw type, 2 pieces grinding stone column shape red, dia 9.5 mm, 1 pieces grinding stone column shape red, dia 15 mm, 1 pieces grinding stone bullet shape red 1 pieces grinding stone T-shape green dia 10 mm, 1 pieces grinding stone T-shape green dia 20 mm, 1 pieces dressing stone wheel 1 pieces felt polishing wheel 1 inch 2 pieces felt polishing wheel 1/2 inch 5 pieces mandrel standard type. Here is the product number 4. 21V Power Tools Electric Drill Electric Cordless Drill 2 batteries. 1. Reversible. Automatic cartridge design. 2. Stepless. 3. 19 stall torque adjustment. 4. Waterproof, drop, leakage power. 5. ECP, battery protection device to prevent battery overload, overheating and deep discharge. 6. Integrated LED light for illuminating the work area can also be night work. 7. Twisted soft grip handle CST operator to provide excellent grip and a sense of comfort. 8. The fast slow adjustment. 9. Note. Here is the product number 3. 220 volts electric mini drill for Dremel Rotary Tool. Name mini grinder model, GX1337 color, black place of original, China voltage, 220 volts 50/60 Hz power, 130 watts speed, 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute application jewelry, home, and wood making function, for wood metal ceramic plastic drilling polishing grinding carving shaping and sanding. Package. Group 1, mini drill only. Group 2, mini drill with 160 pieces accessories. There are 2 different groups set in this link, plus make it clear before you making the order. Here is the product number 2. HILDA 180 watts electric mini drill for Dremel Rotary Tool. Reinforced cut-off disc 32 mm 4 pieces sanding discs 72 pieces cut-off wheels 22 mm 1 pieces mandrel screw type, 2 pieces grinding stone column shape red, dia 9.5 mm, 1 pieces grinding stone column shape red, dia 15 mm, 1 pieces grinding stone bullet shape red 1 pieces grinding stone T-shape green dia 10 mm, 1 pieces grinding stone T-shape green dia 20 mm, 1 pieces dressing stone wheel 1 pieces felt polishing wheel 1 inch 2 pieces. Here is the product number 1. GOXAWEE 220 volts Power Tools Electric Mini Drill. GOXAWEE 220 volts Power Tools Electric Mini Drill with Flex Shaft 160 pieces Rotary Tools Accessories for Dremel Drill Tools 3004000. Dremel voltage, 220 volts, 50/60 Hz. Power, 130 watts. Speed, 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. 5 different speeds. Collet dia, 3.0 mm, use for 3.0 to 3.2 mm shank. Plug, EU plug application jewelry, home, and wood making function. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.